Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Hey, what if I gave you the keys to the exact system that helped us generate hundreds, even thousands of dollars in commissions, day in, day out, in the laziest way possible, without lifting a finger and on complete autopilot? You see, all of these instant payments, all of them directly hit my affiliate account every hour of the day, 365 days a year. This system pays me both regular low-ticket commissions and high-ticket commissions of over $1,000 a time. Check out one of my latest paychecks. These earnings are from a 7-day period. That's thousands of dollars that I received direct into my bank account without needing to do much work at all. I have multiple accounts collecting cash right this minute, and I'm not telling you this to brag or to show you how smart and successful I am. I'm telling you to impress upon you what is truly possible for regular, everyday working people like you. This works for anyone looking to start a side hustle or generate a few extra $100 per day in 2024. We're talking affiliate marketers, product owners, e-com store owners, CPA marketers, and even online coaches. The truth is, I don't have any special skills. I'm not a genius, and I hate anything technical, and that still didn't stop me from making hundreds and even thousands of dollars per day online. And you know the best part about all of this? This was the laziest but most effective way I've been able to make money online. Introducing CashGenie AI, an extremely powerful AI system that does all the work for us to make at least $997 per day every day. It takes minutes per day, and what makes CashGenie AI truly special is that this system runs on complete autopilot in the background, and it's all thanks to this powerful, never-seen-before loophole where we turn any old Facebook account into an automated money-making machine. And don't worry if you don't have a Facebook account, you don't need one. We found a unique way to cash in with this loophole, whether you're an active Facebook user or not. CashGenie AI is by far the easiest and most profitable money-making system we've ever created. It exploits a $500 billion Facebook loophole to make us thousands of dollars in profit. And you saw earlier, these payments we're receiving rack up pretty fast, and it really isn't that hard to crack consistent $1,000 days with this unique Facebook AI loophole. And wouldn't it be nice for you to wake up to paydays like this. Using inbuilt free traffic and our in-house AI cash system, we're generating commissions 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, which allows us to focus on more important things in life, like spending time with family, going on vacation, buying fancy cars, and investing in stocks and crypto. It doesn't matter where you are. All you need is internet access, a smartphone or laptop, a copy of CashGenie AI, and you're good to go. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with CashGenie AI. Step 1, grab a copy. Click on any of the links on this page to get instant access to CashGenie AI. Step 2, activate your CashGenie AI money link. Step 3, activate the built-in buyer traffic. Just blast your money link into our automated built-in traffic solution and relax. Yeah, you heard it right. CashGenie AI precisely knows how to find a hungry crowd of buyers across thousands of free traffic sources, including the most popular social media site in the planet, Facebook. And remember, setting up your CashGenie AI money link takes less than a minute. This is free traffic and commissions on steroids thanks to Facebook. Now, at this point, you've seen all the proof. You know how well CashGenie AI works, but how much is it going to cost? Well, considering it is the same system that's making us a minimum of $997 per day, you can't really put a price tag on that. It's priceless. At minimum, we'd have no problem charging $497 per month for access to this, and I'd have no problem getting hundreds, if not thousands of people to pay this price because it would quickly pay for itself. But I get it. That's a huge commitment to make. And I know it's hard for you to try out new things with all the scams out there. To give you a chance to access CashGenie AI, I'll be offering it at a price that anyone could afford. In addition to the discount, you'll be receiving thousands of dollars worth of fast action bonuses. But this offer is only available for a limited time only. I can't give everyone this discount as it would overwhelm our servers. If you come back later, I can't promise you anything, and there's a good chance your spot will be taken by someone else. So please don't delay. What's the risk considering you're backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee? I'll even go one step further and give you personal one-on-one coaching if you fail. Yep, that's how confident I am that CashGenie AI will work for you. What are you waiting for? The ball is now in your court.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.